to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Exela Technologies, and the stock is down today 0.68%, trading at 21 cents. So looking at where the stock is trading today, you can see that the drops that we have been noticing over the past weeks has slowed down, and I think that we are actually at a point where the fortunes of this stock will actually reverse and we will start seeing an upward trajectory. There is only so far that you can drop before things reverse. As an example, think about Thursday, Friday last week before the long Memorial Day weekend. On those 2 days, we had the major indices on Wall Street claw back literally all of the losses that they incurred in the month of May. And today, even though the indices started low, you can see that they have been rising. If you look at the very top of your screen, the S&P 500 is down 0.26%, the Dow 30 is down 0.35%, Nasdaq down 0.02%, Russell 2000 down 0.81%. And we still have about 35 minutes to the close of today's trading session. So if you look at the 52-week range for Exela Technologies, it ranges from 21 cents all the way to $5.45. There is a very interesting article from Investor Place that came out about 4 days ago, so ending of last week, and it kind of gives an overview of Exela Technologies as a company, and talks about the total addressable market for the business model of Exela Technologies, and also talks quite a bit about the business automation process that Exela Technologies is implementing with businesses and also with government. So a very good business model, and in addition to that, they now have a new chief technical technology officer, CTO, and that is something that's really huge. So it shows that the company is ready to get rolling as the world comes out of 2 years of lockdown and also facing supply chain challenges. So Exela Technologies, at this point, I said it during my last video, I just don't see it dropping too much further below this. At this price point, it is a bargain, and I think that if I had the money, not thinking if I had the money, I would be loading up on Exela Technologies. Not just because I think it's a good bet, I could make a quick buck on the stock, but because I think midterm, long-term, it is a good investment. Companies like Exela, with the tech that they have, are well positioned to take advantage of new opportunities as the world uses more and more of artificial intelligence to aid organizations, businesses in their marketing and business processing strategies. So the volume today also speaks a lot about what's happening with this stock, whereas for most stocks today, they have been quite timid. Exela Technologies, with about 32 minutes to the close of market, is showing almost 23 million shares that have exchanged hands, compared to an average volume of 33 million shares. Also, the 52-week range, like I said, we are very close to the 52-week range for today, so I wouldn't be too worried about the stock dropping down too much further, especially if you look at the way the stock has behaved today. It is pretty close to the 52-week range, but it never touched the 52-week low. So I think from this point going forward, you might see a little dips, but I think we would generally, for the most part, be heading towards a positive upward trajectory. So that's what I had to share with you guys today. Very interesting article from Investor Place, and also we are wishing the new Chief Technology Officer of Exela Technologies a very wonderful time with the company, and hopefully under his stewardship, the company starts seeing some positive returns. We understand it's the economy as a whole that is under pressure right now with liquidity being tight, but we're hoping that as things turn around and the White House and other major players, not just in the United States but globally, come up with solutions, then XELA will be very well positioned to expand its business and sign even more clients and become profitable for the people who invested in the company. Thank you for your time. Big thanks to those who are subscribed to the channel, new subscribers, old long-term subscribers. I equally appreciate both of you, and I'm so thankful that you are helping the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for your time. Bye.